Do you think this will work? Pause and take a second to think about it. Well, the answer is yes. But why though, right? I've clearly set it to const, which should mean read only. No worries, let's clear this up for you with a fun and unforgettable example. Before we understand this properly, let's just brush up on some relevant concepts. So when we define a variable like const x is equal to 10, the value 10 is stored directly into the variable on the stack. However, when we define a complex object like person, a new object is created on the heap and the memory location of this object is now stored in the variable on the stack. Now, how is this relevant? Since we know that the variable person is only storing the memory address and not the object itself, when we do person.name is equal to code with Harry, this actually travels to the memory address stored in person. It then modifies the object on the heap directly, leaving the address on the stack untouched. And that is why const allows us to change the properties of a person. Now let's help you get this with an example. I'm hoping it's not just me, but as per the instructions of my mother, there's a fixed spot in the fridge for keeping a particular bottle. Now if I change the position of that bottle, I will get whacked. So in that case, she behaves like const, where she binds the value of that bottle to a spot in the fridge. Now it doesn't matter if I replace the bottle's content with juice or water. It only matters that the bottle stays in position. Similarly, const binds the memory address of the object to person. Now, if you change the properties of the object such as name, const is cool with that. But if you give person a new memory address altogether, it's going to scream at you. Hopefully this made the entire const concept crystal clear.